In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history permanently from Chrome. By the end, your past browsing activity on this computer will be cleared out for good. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Make sure you open the same profile where you want to erase history. You can confirm that by checking the little profile icon in the top right of the Chrome window. Now look at the very top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. These are often called the More menu. When you click it, a long drop-down menu appears, showing options like New Tab and Settings. This menu is where Chrome keeps tools for managing your data and privacy. From that drop-down menu, move your mouse and select Delete Browsing Data. When you click it, a new panel or tab opens with the title Clear Browsing Data. You will see two tabs, Basic and Advanced, and several checkboxes. Beginners sometimes confuse this with the regular history page, but this panel is specifically for erasing stored data. Next up, find the time range setting near the top of that panel and set it to all time. Open the drop-down and scroll if needed until you see all time. Then click it. This tells Chrome to forget everything it has stored in your history, not just the last hour or last week. If Chrome Sync is turned on with your Google account, choosing all time here will also clear synced history from your other signed-in devices. At this point, look at the list of checkboxes and make sure browsing history is checked. This is what removes the record of websites you have visited from Chrome on this profile. If it is not selected, nothing about your visited pages will actually be removed, so confirm there is a check mark before you continue. If you also want to remove other stored browsing information, select the extra checkboxes shown. Cookies and other site data will sign you out of most websites and forget site preferences. Cached images and files remove saved copies of pages so they will fully reload next time. Download history erases the list of files you downloaded, though it does not delete the actual files on your computer. Autofill form data clears saved names, addresses, and similar details Chrome offers to fill in forms automatically. Use these only if you are comfortable losing that convenience. Once you have chosen exactly what you want to remove, click the Delete Data button. Chrome will work for a moment, and the panel will close when it finishes. There is no extra save step here. The deletion happens right after you click. On a synced account, that removed history also disappears from Chrome on your other signed-in devices. To remove Google search history too, remember that Chrome history and Google search history are separate. If you want searches made through Google to disappear from your Google account as well, you need to delete them from Google My Activity on your Google account page. You just permanently cleared your Chrome browsing history on Windows using the built-in Delete Browsing Data tool. If this helped you wipe your tracks, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple privacy guides.